And I'm back like I never left. Okay, so what we're about to get into today, I'm about to be installing the windscreen, the Stompgrip side pads for the tank, and then I'm about to do the actual tank grip itself. It's the Progrip tank protector. All these products that I'm using in this video, you can get them from the STG website, which is the sportbiketrackgear.com. That is where I ordered all three of these parts from. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the install. First, I'm going to be doing the windscreen. So you got to remove these 4 bolts. So just Phillips head screws. And then you got to remove these for the mirrors, and then these 2 on this side for the mirrors. And then it should just pop right off. We'll slide this one into place, mount it all up. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so we're gonna start by removing the mirrors themselves. So you got to use a 10mm ratchet, or you could also use just the standard wrench itself. Now that the mirrors are off, we're gonna go ahead and remove these 4 bolts right here. Just get a regular Phillips head screwdriver. They're all the same size screws, so you don't really got to remember about which way they go and which hole they go into. They can all fit into the same holes. And there's a stock windscreen. I'm going to be replacing it with the smoked windscreen. In my opinion, this is one of the best looking windscreens for the Yamaha R6, especially the 2013. And these, you do want to replace and put them back onto the newer windscreen. And we're going to go ahead and replace these Phillips head screws. Get these all back into place. They don't have to be extremely tight, so don't try to go putting those 16 inch-pounds of torque on them. Just tight enough to where you feel like they won't back out on you. I'll seat them all down. Now time to put the mirrors back on. And get the other side on. Dropping bolts like a madman. Why you guys make me so nervous? Feel like I'm on a first date or something. Once again, you don't gotta put an extreme amount of torque on them. And there you have it. That is the D.I.Y windscreen. It is in the dark smoke, fully installed and ready to go. Alright, so now we're about to get into Progrip. Sit you guys down right here, or not. And make sure you wipe the area clean that you're about to be working on. Got a little bit of alcohol on this rag. Just wiping down the surface. Making sure no dust is on there. No other dirt, particles. And you want to line it up before you stick it on there, because once it's on there, it's on there. So you're gonna try to position it right where you want it. Just want to start with the bottom, work your way up. Work all the bubbles out. And there you have it. Lined up, nice and straight. Now, about to move on to the Stompgrip. So what I'm going to do to start off with the Stompgrip, I am going to start with the black pads because I don't really have to worry about much bubbles. So once again, I will be cleaning the surface on both sides. Come back on this side, make sure there's nothing left behind. Throw this up here. I'm going to set you guys down.